In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions to a split in Descript. Let's jump right in by opening your Descript project. Make sure you're in the timeline view where your audio and video clips are arranged. If you've already made edits, you'll likely see breaks where you cut your footage. Those breaks are called splits, and they're exactly where transitions go. A transition is simply a visual easing between two clips, helping your edit feel smoother and more polished. Now find a split between two clips in your timeline. A split is the line where one clip ends and the next one begins. Hover your cursor over that split to reveal its properties. As you hover, Descript will display the relevant options, making it easy to adjust how that specific edit behaves. You don't need to click anything yet, just hovering over the split is enough to surface the controls you need. Next, look for the Transitions section in the Properties area. You'll see a small plus icon beside Transitions. Click that plus icon. This tells Descript you want to add a transition at the spot you're working on. It's designed to be quick so you can keep your creative flow going without digging through complicated menus. Once the transition picker is open, choose any transition you like. Crossfade is a classic choice if you want a gentle blend between two clips. Dip to black works well for a momentary pause or a scene change, and a simple fade can give a clean, professional feel. If you're going for a more stylized look, options like slides or wipes can add energy and direction. Pick the style that matches your story and the tone of your project. As soon as you select one, Descript applies it to the split, and you'll notice the visual indicator on the timeline confirming it's in place. That's it, your transition is added. You've opened your project, hovered over the split to surface the properties, clicked the plus icon beside transitions, and chosen the transition that fits your edit. Keep things consistent by using the same style of transition throughout similar scenes, and reserve more eye-catching effects for moments you truly want to highlight. Descript makes this process fast and intuitive, so you can focus on storytelling and pacing without getting bogged down in technical steps. If you follow these steps each time you want to smooth out a cut, your edits will feel more cohesive and professional. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your project with transitions that support your narrative.